Hello students, if you are preparing for IIT JAM and CUET MSc entrance examination and you are a self-learner, self-motivated and very focused students and you want to prepare it with your self-study. What you want a premium content, some mentorship as well as some resources. Then students, you have to go for our recorded classes. Students, in this particular courses, we will provide you a premium content given by our faculties in a video form as well as in a hard copy as well as soft copy that will be the part of the study materials. And we will also give you the basically test series is the part of this particular curriculum. You will add it to a WhatsApp group where you can easily ask the doubt to our faculties also. And you can plan your preparation according to your available time. So it is very flexible in nature. Students, the most important thing is that you need to be very disciplined such that you can execute the daily plan very efficiently. If you have all these qualities of self-motivation or self-discipline, then you can easily succeed in your desired exam and you can go up to a pinnacle. Students, most important thing is that at the very less investment, you can get very high quality of content as well as guidance. So students, don't miss this opportunity. Go for it and succeed in your dream as well as in your career. Thank you.